Big data is a term used to describe extremely large data set that traditionally database application cannot deal with. So exactly, it is a very large storage data where we can use it big data. The characteristics of big data is maybe it is volume, variety, velocity, veracity, value. So a number of things are there. Next again, next is data analytics. Refers to discovering hiding patterns, trends, preference from the dataset by employing specialized method, programs, softwares, and specialized systems. Now, next is very important, again, very hot topic. That is IoT, Internet of Things, a new age technology that allow computing device to transfer data over a network like internet without requiring human to human or human to computer interaction. That means when we are using IoT, Internet of Things, it is human is not required at that time. But maybe if you interact with human, so human to human, human not interacted, human to computer or human to machine can interact it. Next, most important thing, Web of Things. Again, latest topic. Web of Things is a framework with a vision where every day's smart device and objects are connected. The web using web technologies and standards. So Web of Things using web technologies and standard. Next is sensor, a device which measures some physical energy, like temperature change in director and convert it into some type of signal. That means sensing the things. A smart sensor again, it is an intelligent sensor that converts measured quantity into digital data. Cloud computing is actually the internet-based computing whereby shared resources, software, and information are provided to computers and other devices. Grid computing, again, it is a part of distributed computing that perform sharing of geographical distributed networking. And last, blockchain. It is a latest technology, decentralized and perform online transaction, and blocks are attached from one to another. These are the things which we can discuss it. Now next, another very important thing. Here we have summarized it. Now we have to solve it. Multiple choice question. First, technology that makes user feel as if they truly are in virtual environment. So virtual environment, that means virtual reality. It shows virtual reality. Second, technology is able to take an existing environment and add a layer of virtual environment on top of it. The meaning is it may be actual or it seems to be actual, but existing environment and layer added on virtual information. So AR, that is called augmented reality. Second, B. This is the B part. Third is an application of artificial intelligence that provides system the ability to automatically learn and improve from experience after initial things, initial trainings. So this is, we can say, machine learning. That is the short form here given. So D is the part, machine learning. Next, fourth is an artificial intelligence technology that helps computer understand, interpret and manipulate human language. Again, very interesting, human language. So it's a natural language processing. A part. Fifth A, fourth A part. Now next, fifth, are programmable machines that are able to carry out actions autonomously. Programmable machine. Again, programmable machine, what that means? AI. So AI is not given, that is robots. So fifth, we can say robots. Sixth, extremely large sets of data. So extremely large sets of data, again, big data. A very new thing, big data. Next is seventh, intelligent sensor. Very nice. Intelligent sensor that can convert and process quantity to digitals are. So just previously we have revised it, smart sensor. So it's, intelligent sensors are smart sensors, and they can convert physical quantity into measured quantity into digital quantity. Next, eighth, distributed computing system formed by a network of independent computer is. When we are talking of distributed computing, that means something is related to, we can say, grid, independent computer. So grid computer is the part which you can perform it distributed computing. Next, what is cloud computing? So four option is there: network of computer and printer that is available within organization. No, a type of internet computing that provides shared computer processing resources and data to computer and devices on demand. So we can say second part is the cloud computing part. Because right now we are also using cloud computing, like our mobile also we can also keep our data cloud. WhatsApp again using this technology. Next, which of this is an advantage of cloud storage? This one. So four options: the user has no control, many programs can be run, accessible anywhere. So cloud computing means accessible anywhere within internet connection. Internet connection is required. Okay, obviously cloud works on internet. Next is, which of this example of cloud storage? Cloud, everyone cloud is using, like Google Drive, Microsoft Azure, iCloud. So 11th is D. D. Next, which of the following is not a cloud service? IS, PaaS, software as a resource, platform as a resource, and infrastructure as a resource, as a source. So D, DaaS is not a cloud service. Remember this thing. Next, 13, the process of encrypting and decrypting information. So, encrypting and decrypting, again, cryptography is there. Cryptography is there. Next is what is blockchain. We have just discussed it. It is a decentralized ledger of all transaction across a peer-to-peer network. So A is the part. It is a decentralized ledger of all transaction across to peer-to-peer network, and online transaction is required. Next. When a transaction has been confirmed, it means it has been approved by the network and permanently appended to the blockchain in the form of. Actually, blockchain technology is dependent on, we can say, we create a block. So transaction confirm ho jata, that means approved by some other network or permanently added. So block is the thing. Block is the thing. Next. Which are not the potential application of blockchain. Which application is not a voting? No. Health records, make and maintain it. Online gaming. So online gaming is not a potential application of blockchain. Next. Blockchain is secured by. Actually, blockchain technology secured through hash code. And the meaning of hash code is it will generate, every key value has generated a unique code, and that is called hash code. Remember this thing. Next. What does the block in the blockchain consist of? So block transaction data is maintained, hash point maintained, timestamp maintained, all things maintain it. So all of this 18D, 19. Each block consists of hash. Obviously hash, अभी हमने discuss कर, just previously we have discussed it. Blockchain consists of these all points. Previous block. Next is 20, the process of confirming a transaction after validation and adding it to the public ledger is called mining. So it is called mining. Process of confirming a transaction, when transaction confirm it and after validating and adding in public ledger is called mining. Now next, in the blanks we have discussed it. Very important topic. Refers to the ability of a machine or a computer program to think, learn and evolve. Machine, ability to find out machine. So here we can say AI, artificial intelligence. Here AI. Next. The is a new age technology that allow computing device to transfer data over a network like internet without requiring human to human. or human to computer interaction. That is Internet of Things is a new age technology. Third, the IoT technology is main enabler of making smart city or a reality. IoT technology. Next is a technology that allow people to experience and interact in a 3D virtual environment. Virtual environment that appears and feels like a real environment with the use of an electronic equipment that is called VR, virtual reality. Next, fifth, the is a technology that transforms the view of physical real world environment with the superimposed computer generated image, thus the changing of perception of a reality, augmented reality. That shows that we can say front layer shows it, so that's why it is called augmented reality. Is an AI based technology that helps computer and understand, interpret and manipulate human language. So natural language processing. Natural language processing is an AI artificial intelligence based technology that helps computers understand, interpret and manipulate human language. 7. Is a branch of technology that deals with physical robots. Robotics is a branch of technology. Important thing. Next, means extremely large data set. Large data set always used in big data. So here big data means extremely large data sets. Important thing. Is a framework with a vision where everyday's smart device and objects are connected to the web using existing web technology and web standard. Web technology and web standard, that is web of things. Next, our device which measures some physical quantity converted into type of signal. Actually, sensors होते हैं. So sensors are the device which measure some physical quantity and convert it into some types of signal. 11. Is a form of distributed computing that involves the coordination and sharing of geographical distributed network computing resources. That is, we can say grid computing. 12. Computing is internet-based computing. Cloud computing is internet-based computing. Very important thing, ध्यान रखना इस चीज को. Remember this thing. Next 13. IaaS, SaaS, PaaS are the type of cloud services. The cloud services के types हैं, they are related to cloud services. हमने देखा भी था इसके पहले just in MCQ. Type of cloud services available: IaaS, SaaS, PaaS or DaaS. So DaaS is not the type of cloud service. Next, 14. Clouds exclusive used by an organization are: so cloud exclusive used by an organization are called cloud, private cloud. Organization use private cloud, and if everyone is used, that is public cloud. So the cloud used by multiple organizations on shared basis. Again, it is a public cloud. Next, digitalized public ledger of each transaction, online transaction occurring among a network of peer is called. That is called blockchain technology, where each blockchain technology is divided into blocks, and block store previous network data. Next, a secure data chunk that stores encrypting detail of valid transaction is called, again, blockchain. A group of linked block in a proper linear chronological order, again, block is called blockchain. Chronological order, blockchain. Again, the answer is blockchain. Next and last, fill in the blanks. The process of confirming a transaction after validation and adding it to public ledger is called mining. Next, immersive virtual. Immersive reality is the form of virtual reality. No, false. Virtual reality always virtual. Virtual reality enhance the environment around us. True. We can maintain it. Here we are discussing about true false. Augmented reality enhance the environment around us. Yes. Augmented reality enhance means front layer always emphasizes it. Next, AI. AI-based technology which makes super learn and improve testing and training data is known as machine learning. False. Fifth, NLP is not AI-based technology. Yes. Natural language processing is not AI-based technology. Robots may or may not be AI-based. Yes, false. 2-3 databases together are called big data. False. Obviously, because big data have large data set maintain it. This thing you remember it. When we are talking of big data, that means it can maintain many things. When smart devices and objects connected to web using web technology and standard it is called IoT. Eighth one. False. Smart devices, when we are talking of smart devices or smart web technology, that is related to sensor. Next. When smart device and object are connected web using web technology and standard, it is called WTOD. Correct? Because wide, that is also called wide of things. Wide of things is related to web technology and standard. Next, not all sensor are smart sensor. Yes, that is true. Because smart sensor, normally we can say it's a intelligent sensors. Next, a smart city is a city that uses technology to provide services and solve city problems. False. Next, 13. Grid computing and cloud computing are same. No, false. Cloud-based service consume disk space on your computer. Yes, it will consume it. 14. Mobility is one major advantage of mobile services. True, we can say true. The cloud service which makes available a platform on the cloud it is called PaaS. Platform as service. So available platform on the cloud. Cloud के platform को बता रहा. So that is called PaaS. 16. The cloud services which makes available application software on the cloud is called PaaS. Yes. Because platform as service we are using. Yes. 17. The cloud service which makes available an infrastructure. Obviously, on the cloud is called is IaaS. So infrastructure as a services. So correct. Next. 18. Blockchain technology uses centralized database. Yes, obviously correct. 18 is correct. 19. A blockchain technology stores the complete trial of transaction of a public ledger. False. It cannot maintain public ledger. Complete public ledger. It can maintain it. Next important, encrypted details of a single transaction is called blockchain. No. Because it can maintain link one block to another block, another block to another block. Whole of a block's data is publicly available. True. True part. Next 22. Whole of a block's data is publicly available. Yes. And last, a block stores encrypted data and has a code of previous block. It can maintain block and it can maintain previous code also, but that is, we can say, hash code that have written hash code. So there is a difference between hash code and hash code. So again, false it. So 23. Oh, sorry, 23 is true. 22 is false. Or true. 22 true. This one is true, and this one is also true. And 21 we can say false. Single transaction के basis पे नहीं करता. It will not perform on single transaction. So one more thing, I'm just explaining. Augmented reality is the live or composite view of physical real world environment superimposed with virtual elements, which are augmented, enhanced by computer-generated sensory input such as sound, video, graphics, or GPS. Most popular recent example of augmented reality is Pokemon Go game here. Pokemon Go. Remember this thing. And another I want to discuss it, that is IoT, Internet of Things. It is basically a network using which things can be communicated with each other using internet, means of communication between them. All of things, all the things should be IP protocol enabled in order to have the conception possible. So that's all. If you have any query, can ask and write it on comment, or otherwise personally you can also message me. That's all. Thank you.